Hi, it's Karl again from Fine Country Estate Agents in Staffordshire. I hope you're all keeping well and staying safe. And this is our February monthly market update for Staffordshire. Just to update you on what's happened since the start of the year, not just the last 4 weeks, but there's definitely been a trend since the start of the year with the lockdown. I think has been responsible for a lot of this is the fact there's been less listings coming to the marketplace. I think also partially is seasonal with the poor weather we've had since the start of the year as well. And that's following on with when we're speaking to sellers and potential sort of vendors coming up in the next sort of few months, that they're quite happy to wait until the spring marketplace to make sure they get the best in terms of the weather, in terms of the presentation of the property, which is understandable and quite agreeable from my own point of view. The other aspect of that is what we are seeing is the properties that vendors do want to sell now, a lot of them are coming on what we call a low-key marketing, which means we don't advertise them anywhere, whether it be through social media or whether it be through our Refine magazine or whether it be on the online portals as well. We just literally match buyers with potential properties. So they are, if you are looking for a property, give us a call, make contact with us, because if it's not something you haven't seen on any of the websites or through our website or YouTube or for social media or the Refine magazine, then make contact with us, because we have properties on our books which you won't be able to see advertised at the present time until the springtime, when these properties will come on live when the weather is a bit better as well. With that in mind, also we also see a lot of big trend towards what's going to happen with the stamp duty threshold, with that coming to an end at the moment on the 31st of March. We expect something to change before then and the budget at the start of March, but whether that's going to be what they call a cliff edge in the press on the 31st, I think personally it will be more of a phased change to the ending of the stamp duty holiday rather than a sort of permanent one. And it might even be different to that. It might even be a change in the stamp duty threshold completely, but we'll wait and see what happens there at the same time. So the key thing at the moment is the fact that the housing market is still very, very strong. We're still seeing a very high buyer demand overall. We're still seeing a bigger, I would say, majority of people looking between the sort of 800,000 and 1.2 million pound mark for a property. So there are plenty of buyers out there as well. So if you are thinking about selling in the near future, or even want to try coming to the market on low key, then please do contact us on the following details, and we'd be delighted to speak to you. I look forward to catching up with you again next month. Take care.